Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi everyone. Hi everyone.
And Virgil's back there occupied.
Virgil is there. Virgil, say hello. Hello, say hello.
Hopefully everybody's doing great today.
I'm great. How are you?
I'm spoiled. You've got me spoiled.
Spoiled. So, where are we at?
Where are we?
We're inside the van.
Oh, okay. I forgot.
Yeah, what happened to us? Why we not go out?
Looks like we got a, as far as weather goes today,
Virgin,
it's good so far.
Close, Virgil, close, Ben.
No,
The volume, Jen.
pick it up and get me a channel.
So we are here right now outside in Gaisano in the parking lot, guys, because it's too early to go inside. It's almost 8:30 in the morning and the mall opens around 8:30 and
Yeah, well, we had a good
the
breakfast.
department store is they open around 9 and we're just finished having our breakfast there at McDonald's.
Yeah, we had a good one. Yeah. It's the first time we've ate breakfast at McDonald's in forever.
Yeah, we go directly here after the mass because Virgil needs to buy something needed for his school project and they don't sell it there at Valle Hermoso, so we just get this. We just get that one here in San Carlos, so that's why we're here.
Yeah, and the coffee at McDonald's, as usual, is actually fairly good.
Mhm.
It's not the best I ever had, but it's good coffee.
So you have 2 cups of coffee, right?
Yep.
And I really had a good breakfast too. I have that chicken a la king with rice on it. And Virgil got some chicken sandwich. Right, Virgil?
And I had a sausage, egg, cheese McMuffin.
Yeah, it's really good.
But it's
And-
actually a pansal, different from the bread in the U.S. This,
Then, it's really good, right?
yeah, it's good. I like the sausage.
Yeah, and I tried the cheesy egg disal and it's really good. It's very, the
Cheesy?
cheese, yeah, the cheese is very good.
Yeah, I
So-
know mine was had. The cheese was good.
I like it. And I'm so full right now. Are you full?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's been a long time that we're not having breakfast there at McDonald's because when the time we eat breakfast here at San Carlos, we always eat there at the Mr. C
Yeah, 'cause they got
outside,
Yeah, they got a great breakfast.
outdoor, Mr. C outdoor, yeah.
But I'm watching my sugar level, so we decided McDonald's.
Yeah.
I noticed I didn't see pancakes on our menu.
I don't see too. But
That's
yeah, I don't see any pancakes on there.
I want to go and order them, but I'm thinking, because I think about Mr.
And
C's pancakes.
they don't also have hot choco.
Really?
Yeah, I was going to order some hot choco but it's not available. So I just have the orange juice. So it's fine, still good.
Oh yeah.
And
I'm
also-
not complaining. Because like I said, I want to go have pancakes anyway.
Yeah. It's okay, you have to what's that? Muffin?
Yeah. Sausage,
Yeah.
egg, cheese, McMuffin.
Sausage egg McMuffin. So I know that you're full, right?
Yeah.
So we're still waiting for the mall to open and it be around 9 a.m. It will be open, the department store, and we need to go inside in the department store and the other store there in the DIY. I know that they will open around 9 a.m. So only the grocery store right now is they open early around 8:30. still waiting to open it so that we can get all the things that we need to get, and we're gonna
Head
headed home to check Cookie because we miss Cookie, guys.
Yeah. I prayed around the church. And,
Yeah, Basyon, check Cookie.
Yeah.
She fall asleep there at the bottom of your chair. And also my father gave some foods to her.
Should have told her to turn one of the fans off.
Yeah, I'm gonna message her and tell her to on the fan. Yeah, we really attached to Cookie.
Yeah.
She's really a good puppy to us and very sweet.
I got a problem
What?
with her.
Huh?
I got a problem with
What
Cookie.
happened?
What happened? She expects me.
I really think that Cookie, she think that my husband is the master of all there in the house. She keeps following with my husband wherever he goes. In the bathroom she goes to, and she always sleep there under the chair, and she always touch my husband's feet. If my husband were gonna go inside, she just woke up and go with him. Right?
Except when it's time to go to bed.
Yeah.
Now I have to carry her in.
Yeah, she's spoiled, guys.
Yeah.
Very spoiled. And we always train her, and when she poop and pee, she don't even pee there
Yeah, she got a
in
spot
the
out back.
yeah, in the front side. She go there at the back side, and she makes sure that she poop there at the pads, at her pads where we put the floor. And not really she don't really give us a hard time.
No, she don't. No, for a puppy, she sure don't.
Yeah. And she's very hyper all the time.
Yeah, for short periods of time.
Every time when she finish it, she always likes to like running, and been likes to have a playtime with you.
Yep.
And it's the cute part of it is when I told her no Cookie, then she just turn the head and do that. It's really cute when she responds like that, and her eyes also will like open and close and open. And when the time I always clean her eyes every morning, she just sat down there on the floor and let me do the work, and she take her vitamins without any problem, without giving a hard time to me, and she just take it.
Yeah, she lets you clean her eyes out and wipe her down.
Yeah. Even when we give her a bath, she's really behaved. She not give us a hard time on that also.
I'm looking forward to getting her groomed.
Yeah, we need to do a grooming to her, because that time that we went to the vet, we can't do it like do both in one time, because we don't want Cookie will traumatize, and also it's too much for her also, for the injection plus the grooming, and also we don't need to give her a bath that time, because it's not good when she have that vaccination. So the doctor told us maybe we can give her a bath after 5 days after that vaccine, but we need to go back next week for her deworming. Around August 4 we need to go back to the vet.
Can they do grooming then, or deworming?
I don't know, because
That's not an injection.
is it injection or not?
I think it's only a medication.
But I'm gonna ask the doctor, okay, to make sure. And we really want, we just want Cookie to have all the vaccination and make sure that she's okay. Because I know that the previous owner, I think they don't take good care on here.
Yeah, 'cause the fur is stained.
Yeah.
She,
Cookie is very
Yeah, she-
lucky to have us because we take good care on here.
and she
And-
adapted to us so quick. Well, one day.
Mhm.
That's unusual.
And Virgil is very attached to her too.
Really?
Are you there, Virgil? So, hopefully, guys, that Cookie will be very, very healthy because we really don't want her to get sick, especially the other day, around almost in the night time.
It's open now, mommy, the store.
She vomit, and I was kind of worried about it because I'm afraid that she have a dehydration and we don't have any medication on there. So only one time she vomit, maybe because she is very full, and also she's been
Very hyper.
hyper, and maybe that's what happened. And Virgil also gave her a lot of treats that time,
Only
so
two.
maybe she ate too much that time because
I only give two.
that kind of dog,
22.
the Shih Tzu dog, you're not supposed to give lots of foods. You need to give little at a time because their tummy is not really as big as compared to the other dogs. So we learn our lessons too. It's just like a baby. You're like you take care you take care of a baby. So and my husband also bought her some toys,
Yeah.
but it's not arrived yet.
Probably tomorrow.
Cookie will be 3 months today, guys.
See, I didn't know.
July
Grace-
26 because she born around April 26.
See, I didn't know you knew the exact day.
Because I asked the owner,
Yeah.
the previous, the one who, and she's turning 3 months today. So I really think that she's very comfortable now and more relaxed in our place, and also she already the environment, but she already adapt the environment where she at right now. And also she's not been having a hard time to the other cats now, like Midnight and Buttons.
Yeah.
She kept teasing on them, like she's not barking now, but she always like a joke face, like
Yeah.
when she look at them. But Buttons and Midnight is not too close on her.
We have
But
another strange cat comes down. She barks at them.
yeah, if there's other strange cats, she will bark at them, or dogs. If there's a strange dogs there outside in our place, she always barking on them. Virgil, what are you doing in there?
The sun is open now.
Yeah, but the department store is not open yet. It's not 9, it's still 8:35. I need to buy your coffee also, baby, because you're almost out.
Oh,
Yeah, because
oh
the
my
last
God, almost out of coffee.
because the last time we still have the other brand of coffee, but I think it's not enough until next week. I'm gonna get me some extra.
I'm gonna be without coffee.
And I also do some videos today after the church. We went to the market with Virgil, and you can see my videos on Grace and Pete vlog. I upload, maybe I upload later. I've been exploring the market where the vegetable is, and also here at the market of San Carlos where they sell the fish. Because I've been buying some squids this morning, and also some seaweed. Is that seaweed?
Hmm?
Seaweed or seaweed?
Seaweed.
Seaweed.
Sound like you said sewage.
Sushi. Sushi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a seaweed. My husband don't like to eat sushi. You like sushi, Bana?
No.
Huh? You don't like sushi? You don't like to eat sushi? How about you, Virgil? You like sushi?
No, it's
No,
gross.
no, even Virgil don't like to eat sushi, but I love sushi, like sushi fish or other stuff.
I don't like it because it's
But
not
I don't
cooked.
like the sushi human. I don't like the sushi dog, sushi goat, sushi pork. Only sushi fish. So, what you think? I'm gonna go walk down inside there, the Virgin. I'm gonna get the coffee because the grocery is open now. I'm gonna get the coffee first, and maybe the DIY is open early, baby. Maybe the DIY. We need to go to the DIY to get Virgil's stuff from the school project. Are you sleepy, Bana? Because every time my Bana after he eat his breakfast, he always fall asleep.
Especially after my meds.
Yeah, I know. So, guys, I
Don't-
think that's all for now.
If you're out and about, guys, don't forget to smile.
Don't forget to smile. I always smile.
You might make someone's day. You never
Yeah, don't forget to smile, guys. Life is too short. Just enjoy and
know. Live long and prosper.
so thank you so much, guys, for the love and support and for all the nice comment. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So if you want to check out my YouTube channel also, just go there at Grace and Pete Vlog. So maybe there's things that makes you more excited. Interesting things there.
Yeah, maybe. Never know. Might be worth checking out.
Yeah. So thank you so much, guys, and God bless us all.